Hey, Howard here from 82Maple, coming at you with all of the very best wishes for the upcoming holiday season. Here I am playing around in Santa's little workshop, accompanied by the usual suspects. At 82Maple, we start with the log and we take it through to the finished product, and over there you'll see some saw blades hanging up, some new, some in need of sharpening. We'll throw them on the bench with that black machine and sharpen them up if and when they need it. And then at the workbench, I'm accompanied by the usual suspects here, and it's become a bit of an annual deal that Coral and I make cutting boards for the kids, and it's becoming more and more of a process as we're perfecting the technique over the last few years. And so this year we jumped into some of the resin, but when we finish it out, hey, of course it's going to have the 82Maple brand on it. And what else would we finish it with? But Howard's Feed and Wax. Hey, does it get any better than that? Come along for a walk with me. Thanks for hanging out, by the way, for a couple of minutes. And let's see what else we're up to here. Okay, and over here, what do we have if it isn't a 1950 Mercury M5 style? Hey, it's even got the dualies on it. You know, I cleaned this little baby up a little bit last night. Look what I found in the glove compartment here. Hey, the original tag. This is a genuine made in Canada, and it's rated the same as my Ford F-350 that you might pick up here in the background in a little bit. I've just marked this out. Coral's in town getting me a cutting tool that I don't own, and we're gonna give those fenders a haircut. And this is, as grandson Lenny, one of 9 grandchildren, would say, one of Gramps' winter prodigies. Yeah, you bet. And we're gonna push that sawmill that's sitting over there into action a little later on today and tackle some of those saw logs. But in the meantime, hey, what do we got going on here? As one of our neighbors remarked, what happened? Did Father Christmas wake up one morning and just throw up all over your place? She was saying she doesn't think that there's been this many Christmas decorations in the neighborhood ever. Let's go on inside. Hey, I'm a very fortunate guy. I get to be married to, as I call her, the girl who loves Christmas. But while she's been running errands, I've been hanging out in the kitchen here. And what do we got going on? Well, if it isn't, yeah, you guessed it, mulled wine. That recipe has been being refined for, as close as I can figure, 15 to 17 years. We change a little bit, we fix a little bit, we do a little bit of this, that, and the other. And down below, I'm going to share the recipe for where we're at now with it. And it's got all sorts of goodies in it. And I think more than anything, it just gives me a really good excuse to play with sharp tools. I do it all day in the workshop, and then I come in and I kind of go through withdrawal. Hey, speaking of withdrawal, one of the things I'm not having withdrawal about is retiring from work-related activities. You know, for 40 years, I had a chance, 43 years, a chance to play dress up every day. What jacket, what tie, what shirt. As much fun as that was, this is me. And it's not only me now, but this was always me. Hey, I'm just born to play in the dirt and the sawdust. Let's not forget the sawdust. And let's not forget that I am incredibly grateful to everyone in my community. From the time I was a Williams Lake paperboy at age 12, all the way through various iterations, a good long stint in the wonderful, wonderful Canadian benefits industry, and now expanding out to a wonderful community of folks that play with equipment, play with sawmills and woodworking, and much, much more. And I'm going into this season with a heart just truly, truly And I speak for Coral as well. Coral and I are going into this season with hearts brimming with gratitude for all of you in our community, your support, your thoughts, your correspondence, and your best wishes and your friendship along the way. It's the season. And hey, remember, try out that 82Maple mulled wine recipe. You're going to love it. Let me know what you think. And if you have some holiday recipes to share, shoot them our way.
Too much fun.